In the last video, we have discussed finding the median in case of individual series and discrete series. In this video, we'll discuss problems on finding the median in case of continuous series. So let us take up one example problem. For the following distribution, find the median. Here, percentage of marks along with number of students is given. Percentage of marks is between 0 to 10, there are 4 students. Between 10 to 20, there are 9 students. Between 20 to 30, there are 19 students. Between 30 to 40, there are 20 students. Between 40 to 50, 18 students. 50 to 60, 7 students. 60 to 70, there are 3 students. This is a continuous frequency distribution. Here class interval is given, along with that frequency distribution is also given. So let us rewrite the table, reconstruct the table in ascending order. So this will be called as class interval. Class interval is 0 to 10 and its corresponding frequency is 4. Between 10 to 20, 9. Between 20 to 30, 19. Between 30 to 40, 20. Between 40 to 50, 18. Between 50 to 60, 7. Between 60 to 70, there are 3 students. This will be called as frequency. So in case of continuous distribution, always we should go for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but accumulation of the frequencies. So how to calculate this cumulative frequency is, so the first frequency will be retained as it is. So 4 will be retained as it is. So the next value is obtained by adding this 4 to 9. We will get 13. Adding 13 to 19, we'll get 32. 32 plus 20 is 52. 52 plus 18 is 70. 70 plus 7 is 77. 77 plus 3 gives 80. Always this cumulative frequency will match with this total frequency. So when I add all these my frequencies, total value will be 80. This value will be called as capital N. So in case of continuous distribution, in finding median, we will do it in 2 stages. In the first stage, we will calculate it using the formula n by 2. So median is n by 2th observation. N by 2 means it is 80 by 2, that is 40th observation. So this 40th observation means we should look into our cumulative frequency. So where does this 40th observation lies? So after 40, the next immediate number is 52. So that means our median value lies in this interval. We should decide that the median value lies between 30 to 40. So the median class lies between 30 to 40. This is the first stage. So in the second stage, we will make use of this formula. M is equals to L plus N by 2 minus M into C divided by F, where L is nothing but lower limit of the median class, that is 30, plus N by 2, we have calculated it as 40, 40 minus M is nothing but this class interval corresponding to the cumulative frequency and its preceding one, that is called as M, that is 32, into 10 is nothing but the difference between the class interval is 10 divided by frequency means the corresponding to this class median class interval, the frequency is 20, that is F, 20. So if I calculate all these values in your calculator, my median value will be equals to 34. As I said, median value lies between 30 to 40. Median value I got it as 34, which lies between 30 to 40. Let us take up one more example which is similar to the previous problem. Here, class interval is given. Between 0 to 4, there are 4 students. Between 4 to 8, there are 17 students. Between 8 to 12, there are 36 students. Between 12 to 16, 90 students. Between 16 to 20, there are 123 students. 20 to 24, 110 students. 24 to 28, 66 students. 28 to 32, there are 14 students. So this is nothing but the class interval and this is nothing but the corresponding frequency distribution. Again, this comes under continuous series. So in case of continuous series, first we should calculate the cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies is nothing but the accumulation of the frequencies that is obtained by 4, first value will be retained as 4. So by adding this 4 to 17, I'll get 21. 21 to 36 is 57. 57 plus 90 is 147. 147 plus 123 is 270. 270 plus 110 is 380. 380 plus 66 gives me 446. 446 plus 14 gives me 460. So if I add this frequency column, my n value will be 460. So my cumulative frequency should also end up with 460. So median will be calculated in two stages. First, we should calculate the median class by substituting in this formula n by 2 observation. Here n is 460 divided by 2 is 230. So 230 means where does this median class lies? We should look into our cumulative frequency distribution column. So immediately after 230 I have 270. Therefore I should conclude the median class lies between this interval between 16 to 20. So the median class lies between 16 to 20. So in the second stage, I'll use this formula m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus m into C divided by F. So this L is nothing but lower limit of the median class, that is 16, plus n by 2 is 230 minus m is the median class, its preceding cumulative frequency, that is 147. So that is m 147 into C is nothing but the difference between the class interval 16 to 20 is 4 divided by frequency is the median class frequency 123. So if I simplify all these values in my calculator, I'll get the median value as 18.699, where this 18.699 lies between the median class 16 to 20. This completes problems on median